Everyone, and welcome to the next video of integration. Today we are going to learn types 9. Again, type 9 is very easy and relatable. There will be one x term in the denominator and there will be a factor of the other, that is x to the power n plus minus a. Okay, this can be plus also, minus also. Now, what is the first step to do this kind of integration? You will multiply numerator as well as denominator by x to the power n minus 1, such that your question will become x to the power n minus 1 dx upon x to the power n minus 1 into x. Right, children? And the factor remains as it is. So now if I put x to the power n as t and reduce my question into t, how? X to the power n, if I put it as t, then n x to the power n minus 1 dx will be dt. This n goes that side. So x to the power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt upon n. So this entire question reduces to t, and now you can solve this question using type 6, or you can also solve it using partial fraction form. So, and in the last, you just have to remember that the question is asked in x, so you have to put the value of t back to get the final answer. Let's do a question based on this type of integration. And again, we are continuing exercise 7.5. So you can very clearly see that question number 16 belongs to this logic. So question number 16, 1 upon x into x to the power n plus 1 dx. So now, if you try and do the first step, multiply it by x minus 1, the numerator as well as denominator, children. So it will be integration of x to the power n minus 1 upon x to the power n into x to the power n plus 1 dx. Now here I have used the rule of exponents. When when bases are same, the powers get added. Now the next step, I want you to put x to the power n as t. Now when we put x to the power n as t, so n x to the power n minus 1 dx will be dt, children. So this n goes that side since I do not need this n. So this is dt by n. So now the question reduces to 1 by n dt. N is a constant, so it goes out. This becomes dt t into t plus 1. Now you can solve it using partial fraction, right? But let me tell you a shortcut here. The shortcut which will save your time. If I want to write this, don't you think I can write this as 1 upon t minus 1 upon t plus 1 and try and take LCM? If I try and take LCM, t plus 1 here minus t gets cancelled, I am left with this. So you know that n, 1 by n log mod t minus log mod t plus 1 plus c is our final answer. I told you to get the final answer, you have to replace the value of t. So log t was, children, x to the power n. I can use the properties of log. Log के बीच में जब terms के बीच में minus आता है तो वो divide हो जाती हैं, right? So this is my final answer, where you can see that the question is in x and the answer is also in x. Similarly, if you talk about this question, children, question number 20 will be done in the same way. 1 upon x into x to the power 4 minus 1 dx. Now, how will you come to know कि तुम्हें किससे multiply करना है? अगर हम x to the power 4 को t put कर देंगे तो 4x to the power 3 dx equal to dt आ जाएगा. तो इसी स्टेप से मुझे क्लिक कर गया, मुझे x की पावर क्यूब ऊपर चाहिए. तो x क्यूब, सो ये फॉर्म इसी से बना है, x क्यूब dx, और नीचे ये फिर दोबारा से x to the power 4, x to the power 4 minus 1. So now you know how to solve it. I'm not going to solve it. Question number 21 also is in the same way. Integration of, here though it is just a normal integration, right? You just have to put e to the power x as t. So the e to the power x dx equal to dt, children. Now this ex is not needed. So can I say dx is equal to dt upon e to the power x? Now, e to the power x is also not there in the denominator. Can I use it as t? So this is dt upon t into t minus 1. Again, you know that this can be written in the form of fraction 1 upon t minus 1 upon t minus 1. Check out. If I take the LCM, children, t minus 1 goes that side, t goes that side. Again, t and t gets cancelled. And I am left with the question. So now you know how to do the integration. So thank you everybody and stay tuned. There is one more very, very interesting form coming up which will solve your question number 18 and I will tell you how. A shortcut method in the next video. Thank you everyone. Keep watching.